Your child will also be receiving some magic 100 words. They are high frequency words. These words are what we call sight words. You learn them by sight. Please do not try to decode or pull apart the words. Let's have a look at the different lists. These are the golden words. Red words, blue words, green words, orange words, violet words, and indigo words. When your child brings home their words, please take the card and cut it up to individual words. Now that the words are all cut up to be individual words, we can play some games with the children to help them learn them. You can point to the word. Point to the word in. Point to the word the. Point to the word that. Point to the word was. Where's the word and? Well done. You can also play some memory games by turning the cards over, jumbling them up, as it's important that the children don't learn them exactly by memory, and play the game. Turn a card over and say the word that you see.
In.
Turn another card over.
Was.
Well done. Continue playing. It's important that children learn them in random orders. Shuffle the cards up and then show the children one card at a time, and they need to say it with automaticity. Let's have a go. In. Your turn.
And. I. A. To. It. That. Be. Of. Was. Is. The.
Well done. Another activity you can do to help gain meaning about the word you're currently learning is to ask your child to make a sentence using the word. Please turn one of the cards over. What word do you see?
Was.
Can you put the word was in a sentence?
It was my birthday.
Well done. Can you write the word was? Good job. Let's turn another card over. What word do you see?
It.
Can you think of a sentence using the word it?
It is beautiful.
Can you try and write the word it? Write it fast and snappy, no capital letters. Well done. It's important when your child is writing, if they make a mistake, that you encourage them to fix it up. Please do not get them to write in any capital letters, all lowercase letters. Try and follow the print that's on the card. Once your child is able to write the word, let's try now and write the word into a sentence. Turn a card over. What word do you see?
The.
This time, write me a sentence with the word the included. Good job with the capital letter at the start. Nice spacing between words. All lowercase letters and a full stop to finish. What does your sentence say?
The cat sat.